Okay, now let's do question 5. Similarly, in question 5, we have a set of data. Okay. This time we have 7 datas. Now, question 1, we need to calculate the mean and the median. Okay. Now, personally, I would prefer to use graphic calculators to do it, okay, because it's easier for it to sketch graphs, plot graphs later on. So I put dollar in for question 5. And enter all the value in. So I have 0.9, 0.8, 2.15, 16.55, 1.7, 0.8, and 2.65. Now, I'm going to show you a trick, okay, with a graphic calculator so the graphic calculator would automatically arrange those numbers in order. So the idea is select the data. Okay. In order to do that in calculator, again, just select the box with the name of those data. Click on it, go to action and sort. Okay. Press A, done. Okay. So the calculator automatically rearrange all the numbers in order. Okay. Then we go to stats calculation, variables, click on OK. Again, select the name of the data, press OK, then we have data there. Okay. So the mean is going to be 3.65, and the median, in this case, is going to be 1.7. Okay. So let's write this down. The mean is 3.65, I believe. The median is going to be 1.7. Okay, now if we look at the mean and median this time, right, they are different. Okay, they're really different. So the distribution is not going to be symmetrical, because they're just too different. Okay. Now the next question of question 5 asks me, okay, does the mean or the median give the best indication, best approximation of the typical amount spent by a customer in this shop? Okay. Now, my guess will be the median. Okay. My guess will be the median. Okay. Because if you look at a box plot, okay, or well, let's sketch a graph. Let's go to select the data, go to data, let's do a quick graph. Okay. Now, let's look at the data. Most of the data are in between 0 and 2.65 are in this area. Okay. Most of the data in this area. There's only one data that is at 16. So what's happened is, this single data is outlier because it's so far away from the mainstream of the data. And this single data had, in calculation, had a huge impact on the mean. It increases the mean. Okay. If we include this data in the calculation of mean, it would increase the mean. So the mean is not really accurate reading, accurate approximation of an average now, okay? Because we have an outlier. So in this in this case, okay, a better indication of the average, well, the best indication of the typical amount will be the median instead of the mean. Okay. Now let's go to question 6.